It's just Psyllium Husk Powder review. Does it reduce inflammation? So the powder is a natural fiber supplement designed to comfort and support digestive health, regularity, and overall gut wellness. Psyllium Husk is well known for its availability to absorb water, add bulk to stool, and promote healthy bowel movements. While the product is mainly marketed for digestion and weight management, some research suggests the fiber-rich supplements like the psyllium may help with reducing systematic inflammation by supporting the gut health. So let's talk about its pros. So for the pros, it is 100% pure psyllium husk with no additives. It supports digestion, bowel regularity, and gut health. It may help lower cholesterol and support the heat and heart health. It is also affordable, simple, and widely available. The cons though, it is not specifically marketed or proven as an anti-inflammatory supplement, and the results may vary. Inflammation also benefits are indirect and can cause bloating or gas if not taken with enough water. The texture may also be unpleasant for some when mixed in drinks. So overall, it's just Psyllium Husk Powder is a legit fiber supplement that effectively supports digestion and gut health. While it isn't directly formulated to reduce inflammation, maintaining a healthy gut and cholesterol balance may indirectly support the lower inflammation levels.